In the 6th month of Elizabeth's pregnancy, God sent the angel Gabriel to Nazareth, a town in Galilee, to a virgin pledged to be married to a man named Joseph, a descendant of David. The virgin's name was Mary. The angel went to her and said, "Greetings, you who are highly favored. The Lord is with you. You will conceive and give birth to a son, and you are to call him Jesus." Joseph and Mary are not unlike any other Jewish couple that lived on those days. They probably just want to live quiet, undisturbed lives. They might have been looking forward for their marriage ceremonies and started imagining how they would live their lives together. Never in their dreams would they want to be the topic of Nazareth's gossips, their moral integrity questioned, or be involved in any religious or political complications. But here is God, through his messenger Gabriel, interrupting those plans and ideals. Nobody likes interruptions, but if it was God doing it, he has every right to do so. He is the sovereign of the universe. But more than that, when he breaks through your personal plans, he is actually inviting you to be part of something greater, heavenly, kingdom-sized greater. Anyone could live quiet and boring lives, but to be the earthly guardians of the God-man Messiah? Well, would you seriously miss out on that opportunity? So the next time God interrupts your plans, pay close attention. He may be doing something great, and you could be part of it if you trust him and submit to his will. My name is Ron Vergara, and these are Reflections Before Christmas.